Well, greetings, peoples, folks, in Space Aliens. I'm at another place, and I'm not on my bike because of this. Cuyuna Range. But here are the trails, mountain bike trails here, and they've got a mowed hiking path around it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and look at some of those features and just see what it looks like. I saw some of Mandatory Air, which is the double black. There's wooden features and drops and a whole lot of fun stuff. But you can actually hike around. Yeah, mowed hiking trail. It's a dotted line. So you can actually walk this and see what it looks like. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm just past the sign. This says, actually there is a good trail on my right that you can go around, but that's going to take longer. I do have time today, but I do want to just kind of take a look, go up on the hill. I can tell you right now, it looks pretty sweet. I am so bummed. I'll have to mark this for next year, so I'm not going to come way up here again. Okay, here's where one of the trails side swipes and comes down around. You see a lot more stuff when you're not flying down a trail at 900 miles an hour and break your thumb. That's pretty sweet. So I'm almost at the top of the hill. The park is there. But this is that trail coming up, how you come up the hill. Hey, it looks pretty fun. And then there's the mowed path that goes behind it. I'm heading up the hill a little bit more. I'll be to the top here pretty soon. I want to do this more to check out that double black trail, and then I have enough time to do that, and then I'm going to get out of here. It has been, oh, there's a jump. I don't know what direction, there's no sign here. Doesn't matter what direction you come from. You hit that, you get a little bit of air. Oh, I can see tires, tire tracks. Oh, we're at the top of the hill now, not at the thing. So I don't know what trail this is, but there are little jumps right here. I'm thinking you're coming this way. I'm gonna try to make it up to there, because I think that's where the double black, and I can see a drop from right here. Pretty sweet, actually, pretty sweet. Well, here we are at the top. I think I'm actually on the bike trail right now. It almost looks like this is a race podium of some sort. So this is the start of a downhill up here. Oh my gosh, this double black looks freaking sweet. These look like they'd be fun too. Here's a double black. This is the first drop. I can tell you right now, I'd be doing that. But look what's after it. Boom, boom, boom. Jump, jump, jump. There is a trail that goes along the side of it here, so we can really scope it out. I think they did this on purpose. But I would totally be jumping those. Yeah, so this is gonna get really overgrown. That's actually not bad. This is another tabletop. Easy tabletop. And then they got a double feature here. You can go left or right. You're gonna get ticks. Oh well. I'd rather get a few ticks and check this out then. Oh wow, there's a gap jump. That's a super easy. You clear that? Oh, that would be an easy gap jump. Don't let it intimidate you. But this is the bypass. That is Runestone. Call that the Runestone Gap. Walk along the edge of this up to the next drop. This drop looks pretty epic. I think I'd probably take it, but the first time I'd probably roll it. So when the grass gets overgrown, the mowed path is actually right here. I'm just in between the mowed path and the bike path, closer to the bike path. Now this is a world-class drop right here. Holy cow. This is about like the one at, and then you gotta jump right after it, and then a wooden feature. It's about like the one at Welch Village, which I came really close to, flying off of. So again, I'm going to go over here real quick so you can see how close the mowed path is. And then I might break away and just walk down the mowed path because there's more stuff on this side. But this is the mowed path right here. Oh, you could like take pictures and videos of yourself. So bring a tripod if you want into that. And here's the janky wooden feature. I would totally be riding that. But there's the mowed path again. So it goes, loops that way and comes back. And I can tell you right now, there's a whole bunch of jumps after this. And they all look, this looks more like a black diamond than a double black. Wow. There's a rock garden. I'm walking this so you don't have to. When you get here, you're just gonna ride it. I seriously would be rolling a lot of this stuff first. That looks pretty severe, but I mean, I saw this on the way in. I'm like, oh, they got stuff here. I saw that and this. I'm like, yeah, they got stuff here. Okay, that is a serious gap jump. You hit this and you land way over there. How's that, like 50 feet? Of course, you don't do that. I'm kind of keeping my eye open in case somebody's barreling down this. I do not want to be on it. I want them to live, tell tales of this trail to others. Yeah, this is a step down. So you clear that boulder behind it. You come into this is a step down. Paved path, or the mowed path is over there. I'm going to go over there in a second. I want to look at this other jump, and then I think that's pretty much it. This, oh man, I wish I could do this trail. And there's a rock garden of death. I'm going to go back to the paved. I'm going to go back to the paved. So, drop, turn. It's like a gap jump, not really. Don't be fooled, it's a drop, basically. Step down. It's a pretty good sized table. This is about like the third table at Cuyuna. I'm just down below the rock garden in that table. And I guess it's a shark fin. So the double black trail is right next to me, and it's looking like a blue trail right now. There are trails over there too. Oh, there's actually quite a bit of trails over there. So then, interesting. It says that this thing turned into a green now. So that's it. That's the double black. And this is the road. But I can tell you right here, on those blues, there's some smaller jumps. So if you want to get in the what they call bike gear mentality, do these first, and then you roll this one, and then you roll it harder. Everything is rollable on the double black, and you can bypass that gap jump. Do not enter. I'm going to go this way on the grass trail. The road's right there, so. But it gives you kind of an idea what's here. Gives me an idea what's here. I make a yearly pilgrimage up here now, probably. Again, that's what I've always done. It's a little farther for me, but. And the entrance, you can see from here, entrance into the park, there's two stone things. It's well marked. You will see, I'll maybe make a map, my own map. You go through downtown and you take a left, and you basically go along a road that goes along the paved path. You can park in downtown, and it's probably about a mile paved path ride to get out here. The paved path is right over there.